How to connect Phantom Wallet to Photon best method. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Phantom Wallet and how you're going to be connecting it to Photon. So to do this, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come over to the Photon Soul website. And once you're over here, what you're simply going to want to do is right here, it's going to say connect wallet. So you're going to click on connect wallet, and whatever your wallet password is, just go ahead and enter it in. Now, once you enter that in, what's going to happen is it's going to automatically connect your wallet. So let me show you how it looks. Now, once that is done, it's going to ask you to connect. So simply click on connect right over here. And once you click on connect, it's going to ask you to confirm a few things. And once that is done, there you go. So now you have connected your Phantom wallet to your Photon in the easiest way. Here it's going to say generate and download your Photon trading wallet. You are logged in with this is going to be your login code. And once you click on generate, it's going to give you a Photon trading wallet private key over here. And once you do this, it's also going to give you this private key, which will not be displayed again. So you can go ahead and copy this somewhere safe. But yeah, that is pretty much about it. That is how you are going to go ahead and integrate your Phantom wallet to Photon. So thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.